man, those area effect hammer and spear effects never get old. Eden is launching season 3 of their Dark Age of Camelot free shard. So even though it's not 2001 and this game's almost 24 years old, you can still hop in and get what, well, as close as we can get today, what this experience would have been like back then. Going to Best Buy, grabbing a physical box copy of this game, installing it on your probably Pentium 3, like 1 gigahertz back then, and launching it. I mean, this is one of just a handful of MMOs that came out back in the day, and this was the first MMO I ever played. And let me tell you, I played season 2 and it was friggin' awesome. So they had a lot of quality of life improvements. You can level pretty much all in Battlegrounds and Realm vs. Realm, and you can also level the traditional way, and they've increased some of the experience you get. So just go to Eden's website, look for all the Play Now links. They're all over the homepage. Just click on that, and then you follow the instructions. It's pretty straightforward, and when you're waiting for the client to download and install, you can just go to their cool character planner and kind of see what you might want to play or check out. There's a lot of good information there to kind of get started. And what's nice about Eden is you can pretty much level, especially in the first month or so, you can level just on PvP alone in all the battlegrounds. They have battlegrounds from every 5 levels or so. And this is video coverage of a keep raid where we're taking the middle keep. And if you're lucky enough and your realm is strong enough, you can actually level one level completely, right, just by taking the center keep. And they got quests in there, and obviously you kill mobs in the zone. You get tons of experience. I mean, you can level 1 to 50 in probably 2 or 3 days easily with casual play. So it's not all about PvP. I mean, the graphics are still holding up, even though it's 23 plus years old. Obviously, there's been some improvements, even back when it was live. It's still live today, actually, which is pretty crazy. But I mean, you don't get very many opportunities to jump in a game when it's just starting fresh again. So I recommend hopping on and giving it a shot. They still got the dragons, they still got the relics, they still got the raids, and yeah, I think you got nothing to lose but time on this one, and this is a good time to be had. So I hope I see you there. Obviously I'll be playing Midgard again this round, and hopefully I'll see you on the next one. Blade?